Today on Delta Safari, it's another Out of Delta experience as we travel back in time to the year 2021 and visit the Sipsey Wilderness. Recently, I was trying to clean out my hard drive and I stumbled upon a folder full of pictures and videos from a trip I took to the beautiful Sipsey Wilderness, which is in the Bankhead National Forest in North Alabama. I decided, why not make it an episode? One of the treasures I found in this folder were these clips of me hiking with my dearly departed Yorkie, Miss Bug. My sweet little baby was about 10 years old when this video was taken, and this was about a month before I adopted Luke. As I mentioned earlier, the Sipsey Wilderness lies within the Bankhead National Forest around the Sipsey Fork of the Black Warrior River in northwestern Alabama. Designated in 1975 and expanded in 1988, 24,922 acre Sipsey is the largest and most frequently visited wilderness area in Alabama and contains dozens of waterfalls. Somehow it got the nickname Land of 1,000 Waterfalls. Well, today, we're on the lookout for one.
Soul of a Wolf.
The William B. Bankhead National Forest is one of Alabama's 4 national forests. It covers 181,230 acres. It is home of Alabama's only national wild and scenic river, the Sipsey Fork. It is located in northwestern Alabama around the town of Double Springs. Alabama's national forests have numerous attractions and recreation sites to help you connect to nature. These perfect backdrops have something for everyone. Now, understanding the regulations and rules before making a trip can result in a wonderful outdoor experience. So download the Alabama Great Escape mobile app. Our destination on our hike today was Coal Mine Falls. The trail was a simple 0.7 mile out and back trail, and it's located near Addison, Alabama. It's generally considered an easy route. It takes an average of 19 minutes to complete. The trail is great for hiking, running, and walking, and it's unlikely you'll encounter many other people while exploring. I have been unable to find an official height for Coal Mine Falls, but some online estimates I saw were around 20 to 25 feet. And depending on the time of year, it can be completely dried up, a beautiful stream like you see today, or a roaring cascade. We also stopped by Bushy Lake. The Bushy Lake Recreation Area offers everything from camping, picnicking, boating, and fishing to sanitary facilities, including a bathhouse. Bushy Lake is 33 acres, and it has 13 campsites that accommodate very small recreational vehicles and tents. Campers occupy sites on a first-come, first-served basis. Water and flushing is only available March through November. The price for camping is $5 per night, $3 per vehicle on a day use. As you can see, Bushy Lake is beautiful. Now there are no amenities, but it's a great escape. It's basically boondock camping, except you do have a camp pad. It's very quiet, but you have to understand you are close to hunting areas, and different times of the year when something's in season, you may hear people shooting, so don't be alarmed by gunshots. Also, they say that there's a family of 5 Sasquatch that live within the Bankhead Forest. Fishing is allowed in Bushy Lake, but make sure you have a valid Alabama fishing license. On the way out of the park, we passed a pioneer cemetery. Some of the people buried in this cemetery helped build this country. I have waxed poetic before about the sanctity of the post-hike meal. I've also mentioned that when you're in North Alabama, there's this thing called the North Alabama BBQ Trail. Well, today, these two worlds collided. If you download a free copy of the 100 Dishes in Alabama You Should Eat Before You Die, link down below, you will find LawLers Stuffed Barbecue Potato. Here, let them tell you more about it.
LawLers BBQ started in 1978 in a sleepy little town in Tennessee called Pulaski. It originally started with Jerry and Philip, the two Lawler brothers. Now the interesting thing, in our logo we've got 2 big L's, and we do that on purpose, and it was kind of one was for Jerry and one was for Philip. I've been in the barbecue business since about 1981. It was 1999, and Philip and Jerry had decided that it was time to grow the business, and so that's where I came in. So it's the best thing that's ever happened to me. All of our stores are filled with old fishing decor, rustic looking, outdoorsy, because the partners, all 3 of us, we surround ourselves with the things we love. We know a whole lot about fishing and a whole lot about barbecue. Those are the loves of our lives. Our stuffy potatoes, they come from the valley of the jolly ho 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 big taters. They are huge. We have ham, our pulled pork, and we have smoked turkey. We stuff them with sour cream and butter and good old shredded cheese. And then we put the meat all in there, and then we put a little more cheese on there, and then we put some chives on there, and then we kind of push them all down and let it all melt and just kind of get all gooey. And my goodness, it's just the absolute best that we can possibly do.
Hey y'all, got time for a quick story. Once upon a time, there was somebody watching videos and they tapped on like and subscribe. The end.